Hi there, it's Becca here from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm showing you around this 2016 Audi S5 Tiptronic quattro. This is the 3-litre V6 petrol automatic model, and it comes from 3 previous owners, has 35,000 miles on the clock, and does boast 3 services in the history, with the most recent at 19,000 miles. Now, this is a Motormatch approved used vehicle, so it does come with a 30-day or 1,000 miles warranty, and if the car interests you at all, feel free to give us a call on 01244 311 404. Now, this S5 boasts a huge £11,145 optional extras added to the vehicle at new, which do include the Matrix LED headlights you can see at the front there. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, you've got those 19-inch Cavo design alloy wheels with the black brake calipers peeking through there. The car is finished in the stunning Navarra Blue metallic paint, which was an optional extra worth £645. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, you can see you've got the full fine Napa leather upholstery finished in that stunning rotor grey with that quilted effect looking nice and luxurious. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, you can see you've got your LED tail lights as well. These also boast the dynamic indicators, which you can see just opening the boot there. I've just opened the boot using the advanced key, which was another optional extra worth £525, and offers that hands-free boot opening, which is great to have if you're approaching the car with your hands full. Now, as you can see, the boot itself is nice and spacious, plenty of room for whatever you may need, and you do have extra storage in the side pockets there. Moving back out to the side of the vehicle, you can see you've also got privacy glass in the rear and chrome detailing around the doors. And if we look inside the driver's interior, you've got the carbon Atlas inlays. These were an £425 optional extra on the vehicle. Your front seats are also electrically adjustable and do actually boast the massage feature, which is great to have for when you're on long journeys. The car also boasts the fantastic £750 Bang & Olufsen sound system, which you can just see in the door card there. Offers an amazing level of sound. So that concludes our 360 tour. I'm going to head back inside and show you some more of the interior features. Moving over to the right hand side from your steering wheel, you can see you do have electric front windows, and you do have electrically adjustable heated and auto folding door mirrors. Your central locking controls are just at the top there, and then you'll find your auto lighting controls just behind your steering wheel. The steering wheel itself is multifunction. On the right hand side there, you can see you've got your volume and voice controls, and on the left you've got the controls for your virtual cockpit. This Audi also boasts the adaptive cruise control, which comes as part of the £1,250 driver assistance tour pack, which also adds your lane departure warning and traffic sign recognition. Another optional extra on the vehicle is the £250 Audi virtual cockpit you can see here, a fully digital instrument display, which also offers access to your media system, so you can take a look at those, and you've also got the navigation system on there as well, so you can easily plan your routes while on the go. Moving over to the media system, I'll run through some of the features on here with you as well. If we move up and around into the car tab, you can see the car does both Audi Drive Select. This allows you to choose between the different driving modes. You can also configure your own mode in the individual section there. If we just go into the individual configuration, you can see you've got access to a bunch of different features. The car boasts the £950 dynamic steering. You've also got the £900 S suspension with the damping control, and you do also have the £1,200 Audi Quattro Sports differential. All of these can be adjusted accordingly in the individual mode there, so you can truly get the car to the way you like it. Going into the vehicle settings, you can adjust a bunch of settings in here. From the date and time to the exterior lighting, you can fully customise your Audi. Going into the seats there, you can see you can separately adjust the driver's seats. So you have the easy entry and the automatic belt tensioner options on there. Going into the driver assist tab, you'll find plenty of features on here, as the car does boast the £1,350 parking assistance pack advanced, which does include the overtaking sensor, which is your Audi side assist, the collision warning, and the pedestrian avoidance. So you've got all those listed on there for you. You've also got the £900 upgrade of the head-up display, which is great to have, as you can keep track of things such as your traffic sign recognition and your miles per hour without moving your eyes too far from the road. The overtaking sensor is great to have for motorway driving, as you'll be alerted as to when any cars are nearby. Moving into the radio tab, you do have access to DAB, FM and AM radio wave bands, so you can easily find stations from across the UK that you'd like to listen to. Under the DAB tab here, you can see you've got plenty of preloaded stations, and you can save your favourites to memory to make them a lot easier to access. If you don't fancy listening to the radio, you've got plenty of options when it comes to external devices. You can connect it via Bluetooth, USB or AUX, or you can insert SD cards and CDs. You can also use that Bluetooth feature I've just mentioned for taking and making phone calls through the vehicle. Very nice and easy to connect it through there. This car does boast the full navigation system. You've got the touchpad here so you can easily type in addresses like so, or you can use the voice control feature to sort these out while on the go. You can save favourite destinations and take a look at nearby points of interest in the menu there. And if we go into the map itself, you can see it is nice and clear, very easy to use, just scrolling in and out using the scroll wheel. The car also offers Audi Connect, which offers online services, and you've got Audi smartphone interface, which allows for the use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can fully integrate your devices into the car to use apps and stream music. Popping the S5 into reverse brings up your front and rear parking sensors, and you do actually have 360-degree cameras on the vehicle. So you've got the standard rear view there with the guidelines. You can also take a look at the overhead view and get a bird's eye view of the vehicle, so you can easily line yourself up in the spaces. You've got the front and corner views as well, so you can easily check for any nearby obstructions. Moving down from the media screen, you'll find your 3-zone climate control. So you can separately adjust the front 2 zones and the single rear zone. This means you can keep all your passengers nice and comfortable, or you can sync up all the zones and keep the car at one simple temperature. Nice and easy to use by just adjusting the dials for the temperature there, and then you've got the buttons in the centre for the fan speed. The car also boasts front heated seats, which are great to have for winter months, keeping you nice and warm. Just below you'll find the controls for your parking sensors, and the car does actually boast park assist as well, so you can automatically park in those more difficult spaces. You've got the controls for your media system there, along with your Tiptronic automatic gear stick. And then if we spin around, you can see underneath the armrest, you've got the Audi phone box. This was a £325 extra on the vehicle and allows you to charge your phone while on the go. So that concludes the video tour on this 2016 Audi S5 Tiptronic Quattro. Remember, this is a Motor Match approved used vehicle, so it does come with a 30-day or 1,000 miles warranty, and 3 years RAC warranty is available, as well as flexible finance packages. Please note that all our cars are subject to a £150 admin fee to cover provenance checks. For a personal finance quote or to book a test drive, feel free to give us a call on 01244 311 404. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon here at Motor Match Chester.